Hi and what's up? In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious vegetable noodles, and it's going to be so delicious. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love showing you easy and amazing recipes like this one. So you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below, and also you can check out my Instagram. I have amazing content. I have some recipes over there, so check me out. And I'm going to be moving over to the stove top, and on medium flame I'm going to place a pan and add cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding in my red onion and green onion, and I'm going to stir in. And let the onions cook until soft. And we'll saute for about 1 minute, and I've added green onions because they're usually so flavorful. So add that to the recipe and you'll enjoy. Yeah. So once my onions are starting to soften up, I'm going to add in crushed garlic and ginger. Stir in and let the garlic cook until fragrant. That is about 30 seconds. You watch over your garlic and ginger so that they don't burn. Notice a golden brown color, so my garlic and ginger and onions are ready. So to my pan, I'm going to be adding in carrots. I'm starting with the vegetables that really takes some time to cook, so I'll be adding carrots and then stir. Then I'll saute for about 2 minutes. I'll add 1 seasoning cube, paprika, stir in. Paprika is just to add a bit of color. Then I'm going to add in my red capsicum and green capsicum together with my chilies. I'm using chilies for this recipe, so if you don't like spicy, you can leave out the chili. Stir in and let everything cook, and at this point I'm going to move over to the other stove top, and on very high flame I'm going to add in water, just a little bit for my noodles, and then I'm going to wait for the water to boil. So as the water boils, I'm going to be watching over my pan. And I love the colors in my pan. I love the green, the orange, the red. This is very vibrant. So to balance out the color, I'm going to add in a little bit of cabbage. So this is not a lot, it's going to cook. Take my spatula and stir in the cabbage so that it can cook together with the vegetables, giving us a very nice vegetable stew. For now it's like a stew. So mix in. As you can see, the cabbage has started to sweat in, so it's reducing. You can see all the vibrant colors. So I'll move over to my pot, and the water is boiling. So I'm going to add in my noodles, and I'm going to cook according to packaging. So you check your noodles packaging for the cooking time. Check on my cabbage, and at this point I'm going to add in some black pepper. Stir in the black pepper. Then I'll give this about 2 more minutes to cook. At this point I'm using low flame to saute my cabbage. So I'm going to check on my noodles, and they are starting to look awesome. Check on my vegetables. So I'll check for the seasoning. Because I added 1 seasoning cube and it usually contains salt, it's quite okay. And this recipe is about for 2 people, yeah, if you're not that hungry. But if you're feeling like you have not eaten the entire day, you can have it all, yeah. So my noodles are ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat because I don't want to overcook, and then I'm going to transfer my noodles into the pan. Mix in. And then I'm going to add in the spices. So I'm adding together with the chili. Stir in and watch over your noodles so that they don't overcook. Although I removed mine when they were almost cooking so that they can cook through in the pan. Then I'm going to add in coriander and stir. I love everything about my noodles, so I'm going to serve. I'm going to pick a very cute bowl over here, and then I'm going to serve. Turn off the heat. Yum. Very delicious. So I'll add this in my bowl. My vegetable noodles are ready, and as you can see, they are very vibrant, they're full of flavor, and I love how my noodles are looking. They are not overcooked, they're just perfect. So I hope you try out this recipe at home. Make for yourself something nice and delicious and healthy, and you're going to enjoy each and every bite. Catch you on my next one.